In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable clicklock on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. This is a fantastic feature that makes life a lot easier when it comes to highlighting text. If I open this text document and then highlight the text, I need to hold down the left button of my mouse and then select the text that I want to select and then release the mouse button. And there we go, I have now selected that text. But with clicklock, you do not need to hold down the mouse button the entire time when selecting text. The first thing we need to do is open settings to be able to enable clicklock. To do this, all you need to do is right click on the start menu icon and then click on settings. We now need to click on devices and you now need to click on mouse. We now need to click on additional mouse options and you now need to make sure you have the buttons tab selected and you will then see clicklock. We can go ahead and turn on clicklock and you can then click on settings and then you can adjust the amount of time you need to hold down the button for the clicklock to enable. I'm just going to leave it as standard and press OK, apply and OK. Now if I go back to my text document and if I hold down the mouse left button for a few seconds, there we go, and if I now let go of that button and start dragging my mouse, as you can see, it is actually selecting the text that I want it to select. And then I can simply just click, and there we go. That has now selected the text. So no longer do you need to hold down the mouse button to be able to select text. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.